In this video, I'll show you how to solve the ALEKS problem called Understanding Periodic Trends in Effective Nuclear Charge. To solve this problem, you'll want to consult a periodic table. I've got a periodic table pasted right here on the screen. This is not going to be present in the ALEKS version of this problem. And the first thing that we want to do is find all of the elements in the problem on the periodic table. For this problem, I have chromium, which is Cr, I have copper, which is Cu, I have vanadium, which is V, and titanium, which is Ti. The trend for effective nuclear charge is that as we go from left to right across the periodic table, the effective nuclear charge increases. So it gets higher as we go from left to right. Now, in terms of what happens with effective nuclear charge as you go up or down a column, there's actually a lot of mixed information out there. Some resources will tell you that it increases as you go down. Some resources actually say it increases as you go up. And some resources say that there really isn't any change at all as you go up or down. Fortunately, all of these ALEKS problems are going to ask you about elements that are in the same row. It's not going to be asking you about elements that are in different rows on the periodic table. So you're only going to have to be thinking about the trend as we go from left to right. So all we have to do is really put these guys in order. Titanium, because it's the furthest on the left, this one has the lowest effective nuclear charge. And I can't really remember what these drop down menus say, but it's going to be ranking, it's going to say like highest or lowest, and it's going to put a number associated with each one of these. So maybe it'll say lowest is number 4. I don't know exactly what it says, but definitely this is going to be the lowest. The one that's furthest on the right, which is copper, that one is going to be the highest. And so maybe ALEKS is calling the highest number 1. And again, I'm not 100% sure about what these numbers are, so double check it. And then you just want to rank everything else relative to that. So chromium, because that is the next furthest to the right, using the numbering system that I'm using here, that would make chromium number 2 and vanadium number 3. But again, double check with these numbers because ALEKS might have them numbered the other way around. It might call the highest number 1 and the highest number 4 and the lowest number 1, in which case you would need to reverse all of the numbers.